Welcome to Marrakech, a city where the ancient meets the modern, and every corner is steeped in history, culture, and charm. Nestled at the foothills of the Atlas Mountains, Marrakech is a sensory overload of vibrant colors, tantalizing scents, and the melodious sounds of daily life. In this comprehensive travel guide, we'll delve deep into the heart of Marrakech, exploring its captivating landmarks, bustling souks, tranquil gardens, mouth-watering cuisine, and a selection of 15 attractions that make this city truly magical. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Marrakech. Unraveling Marrakech's rich tapestry of history and culture. Begin your journey by diving into Marrakech's rich history and cultural heritage. From its origins as an ancient trading hub along the caravan routes of the Sahara Desert to its rise as a center of Islamic art, architecture, and scholarship, Marrakech's past is as colorful and diverse as its present. Explore iconic landmarks such as the Koutoubia Mosque, the Bahia Palace, and the Saadian tombs, each offering a glimpse into Marrakech's storied past. Learn about the city's vibrant art scene, from traditional Moroccan crafts to contemporary galleries, and immerse yourself in the rhythms of daily life in Marrakech's bustling Medina. El Badi Palace. Step back in time at the ruins of El Badi Palace, a 16th century architectural marvel known for its grandiose scale and intricate design. Explore the sprawling courtyard, admire the remnants of ornate stucco work and marble columns, and climb to the top of the palace walls for panoramic views of the city. Marrakech Museum. Delve into the history and art of Marrakech at the Marrakech Museum, housed in a beautifully restored 19th century palace. Explore a diverse collection of artifacts, including ceramics, textiles, and jewelry, and admire the stunning architecture and intricate tilework of the museum's interior. La Palmeraie. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and retreat to La Palmeraie, an oasis of tranquility located just outside Marrakech. Explore lush palm groves, ride camels through the desert landscape, and relax in luxury resorts and spas nestled amidst the palm trees. Jardin Manara. Discover the tranquility of Jardin Manara, a serene garden oasis located just outside the city center. Stroll through olive groves, relax by the tranquil reflecting pool, and enjoy panoramic views of the Atlas Mountains from the pavilion. Palais de la Bahia. Immerse yourself in the opulence of Palais de la Bahia, a magnificent palace complex showcasing exquisite Moorish architecture, lush gardens, and intricately decorated interiors. Explore the ornate courtyards, tranquil fountains, and beautifully preserved reception halls, and marvel at the intricate craftsmanship that adorns every corner of this historic landmark. Majorelle Garden. Lose yourself in the vibrant colors and exotic plants of Majorelle Garden, a botanical paradise created by French painter Jacques Majorelle in the 1920s. Wander through lush pathways lined with bamboo groves, cacti, and rare plant species, and admire the striking blue buildings and serene reflecting pools that make this garden a true oasis in the heart of Marrakech. Atlas Film Studios. Embark on a cinematic journey at Atlas Film Studios, the largest film studio in Africa, located just outside Marrakech. Explore elaborate sets used in blockbuster films such as Gladiator and Game of Thrones, and immerse yourself in the magic of the silver screen as you wander through recreated ancient cities, medieval castles, and exotic desert landscapes. Tanneries of Marrakech. Experience the ancient art of leather tanning at the Tanneries of Marrakech, where skilled craftsmen have been producing high-quality leather goods for centuries. Take a guided tour of the tanneries to learn about the traditional tanning process, from soaking hides in natural dyes to handcrafting leather products such as bags, shoes, and belts. Saadian tombs. Step into the past at the Saadian tombs, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of the Medina. Discover beautifully decorated mausoleums dating back to the 16th century, where members of the Saadian dynasty were laid to rest in ornate chambers adorned with intricate tilework and delicate stucco carvings. Le Jardin Secret. Uncover the hidden beauty of Le Jardin Secret, a tranquil oasis located in the heart of the Medina. Explore lush gardens, ornate pavilions, and serene courtyards, and admire stunning views of the city skyline from the rooftop terrace. Maison de la Photographie. Journey through the visual history of Morocco at Maison de la Photographie, a museum dedicated to preserving and showcasing the country's photographic heritage. Explore a vast collection of vintage photographs, postcards, and glass negatives dating back to the 19th century, and gain insight into Morocco's rich cultural and historical tapestry. Darcy Said Museum. Immerse yourself in the traditional arts and crafts of Morocco at the Darcy Said Museum, housed in a beautifully restored riad in the heart of the Medina. Discover exquisite examples of Moroccan woodwork, ceramics, textiles, and jewelry, and gain insight into the craftsmanship and techniques passed down through generations of artisans. Mela. Explore the historic Jewish quarter of Marrakech, known as the Mela, and discover a vibrant community with a rich cultural heritage. Wander through narrow alleyways lined with traditional houses, visit historic synagogues and cemeteries, and sample delicious kosher cuisine at local restaurants and cafes. Oaseria Water Park. Cool off from the Marrakech heat at Oaseria Water Park, a family-friendly destination offering thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, and splash pools. Spend the day splashing and sliding your way through the park's attractions, or relax in shaded cabanas and enjoy refreshing drinks and snacks from the on-site cafes. Qasr of Ait Ben Haddou. Embark on a journey through time at the Qasr of Ait Ben Haddou, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located on the outskirts of Marrakech. Explore the ancient fortified village with its maze of narrow streets, towering kasbahs, and traditional mud brick buildings, and learn about the rich history and cultural significance of this remarkable desert oasis. Navigating the maze of Marrakech's Medina and souks. No visit to Marrakech would be complete without exploring the labyrinthine streets of the Medina and immersing yourself in the bustling souks. Lose yourself in a maze of narrow alleyways lined with shops, selling everything from vibrant textiles and intricate ceramics to fragrant spices and exotic perfumes. Dive into the sensory overload of Jama El Fna, Marrakech's main square, where snake charmers, storytellers, and street performers captivate crowds of locals and tourists alike. Experience the thrill of haggling for treasures in the souks and indulge in mouth-watering Moroccan street food such as savory tagines, aromatic couscous, and sweet pastries. Discovering Marrakech's architectural marvels. Marrakech is home to some of the most stunning examples of Islamic architecture in the world, with ornate palaces, elegant mosques, and historic monuments dotting the cityscape. Marvel at the opulent interiors of the Bahia Palace, with its intricate mosaics, carved woodwork, and serene courtyards. Admire the towering minaret of the Koutoubia Mosque, an iconic symbol of Marrakech's skyline, and wander through the tranquil gardens of the Menara Pavilion. Step back in time at the Saadian tombs, where beautifully decorated mausoleums dating back to the 16th century pay homage to Marrakech's illustrious past. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the intricate tilework and tranquil courtyards of the Ben Youssef Madrasa, once the largest Islamic school in North Africa. Relaxing in Marrakech's serene gardens, escape the hustle and bustle of the Medina, and unwind in Marrakech's lush and tranquil gardens. Stroll through the manicured pathways of the Majorelle Garden with its vibrant blue buildings, exotic plants, and serene reflecting pools. Discover the hidden oasis of the secret garden, tucked away behind ancient city walls, and marvel at its lush vegetation and tranquil fountains. Seek out the peaceful haven of the Agdal Gardens, located on the outskirts of the city, where you can relax amidst citrus groves, olive trees, and expansive green lawns. Whether you're seeking solitude or simply a peaceful place to recharge, Marrakech's gardens offer a welcome respite from the city's bustling streets, indulging in the flavors of Moroccan cuisine. No trip to Marrakech would be complete without savoring the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, a tantalizing blend of aromatic spices, fresh herbs, and succulent meats. Feast on traditional dishes such as tender lamb tagine, fragrant couscous with vegetables, and savory pastilla, a flaky pastry filled with spiced meat and almonds. Sample the delights of street food at the bustling stalls of Jama El Fna, where you can enjoy grilled meats, fried fish, and sweet treats such as freshly squeezed orange juice and sticky, sweet pastries. For a truly unforgettable dining experience, book a table at one of Marrakech's Riad restaurants, where you can savor traditional Moroccan dishes in a beautiful courtyard setting, embarking on desert adventures. Venture beyond the city limits and discover the breathtaking landscapes of the Moroccan desert. Take a camel trek into the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, where you can watch the sunset over the dunes and spend a night under the stars in a traditional Berber camp. Explore the dramatic gorges and oases of the Atlas Mountains, hiking through lush valleys and picturesque villages. For the ultimate adventure, embark on a hot air balloon ride over the desert, where you can take in panoramic views of the rugged terrain and experience the thrill of floating high above the earth, immersing yourself in Moroccan culture. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Morocco with a visit to Marrakech's museums, galleries, and cultural institutions. Explore the vibrant art scene at the Marrakech Museum of Photography and Visual Arts, where you can admire contemporary photography and multimedia exhibits celebrating Moroccan culture and heritage. Delve into the history of North African textiles at the Tiskewin Museum, housed in a beautiful riad in the heart of the Medina. Attend a traditional Moroccan music or dance performance at the Darsi Said Museum, where you can experience the rhythms and melodies of Andalusian and Berber traditions. Shopping for souvenirs and treasures. No trip to Marrakech would be complete without indulging in a bit of retail therapy at the city's vibrant markets and boutiques. Explore the souks of the Medina, where you can haggle for treasures such as handcrafted ceramics, intricately woven carpets, and gleaming brass lanterns. Discover unique handicrafts and artisanal goods at the Ensemble Artisanal, a cooperative of local artisans selling everything from leather goods and jewelry to textiles and pottery. For a more upscale shopping experience, head to the chic boutiques and galleries of the Guéli district, where you can find designer fashion, contemporary art, and upscale homeware. Marrakech is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in perfect harmony. From the bustling souks of the Medina to the serene gardens, architectural marvels, and additional attractions that dot the cityscape, Marrakech offers a sensory journey unlike any other. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks, indulging in the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, embarking on desert adventures, or immersing yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Morocco, there's something for everyone to discover in this magical city. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of Marrakech, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Morocco.